What's up, everybody? It's Trevon James. I'm going to do another technical analysis of Bitcoin and Zcash. Um, I'm going to be doing these videos off and on for maybe the next couple days. I don't know how long, but I'm not going to be doing for long because these videos are going to be These videos are going to become my secret videos, and they're going to go out to my VIP list. And you get a part of that VIP list just by going to the link in the description and putting your email in. It's free. I'm not charging it for anything. I'm just going to save these videos. These are going to be my secret videos. So if you want to be a part of my VIP squad, then do that. It's completely free. I'm not charging anything. All right, so let's get into these charts. All right, so first thing I do, I should have kept the lines on here, but we're going to draw some support and resistance lines. So let's find them. Just easy, just draw the tops. Here, here. Oh, I hate this. Here, here. But I hate this. And here. Now, support and resistance lines are like areas. It's not just exactly that line, but it's an area. And we got one here. Let's see if we see any more. Oh yeah, here. I mean, that's a pretty old one. That's pretty irrelevant right now, but we'll put it on there just in case. Now, if you don't know what support and resistance lines, they're like the most important lines on a chart. That's where the market agrees or disagrees. Like they're key points on the chart, right? So you put those lines, you just draw the tops, right? And I mean, we can do, oh yeah, I had one right here. Let's zoom in. Let me delete that. So we could do a trend line. I don't want to spend too much time because I got another one. Man, you can't, there's not really no point in doing a trend line. We could do, unless I did, let's do a smaller time frame. Let's do this. Booyaka. Oh my God. Now we can do a trend line. So let's say, matter of fact, let's find the support and resistance in this. I'm doing all of this. Let's put that right there. We'll put this here. Let's make these a different color because I'm going to zoom out real quick. Now, what's going to happen is this is going to move sideways for the next day. What's today? Today is Tuesday. So by the weekend, this should stay in this area, right? And it's either going to bounce off of this line at 715, which I'm pretty sure it's going to stay above 715. So we can see it might go like, what is it, down? Oh, it's going to move like, it might do something like this. It might come check right here. And it might come up. What's today? So, so around this time, and it's most likely going to go up. And when it goes up, let's select that. It's going to hunt for this line right here. And I mean, when it goes up, it's probably going to go straight to it over a short time. Like that. That's most likely what's going to happen. And it might come down. But if you see it come here, I would buy a little bit. I mean, don't go the house, but this is about going to be like the cheapest price. If it goes up, this is going to be the cheapest price you can get it for. So it might do boom, and if it bounces off of that, you know. But if it comes down here, it might take longer for it to go up. But if we see it move sideways or move up like this way, then it's going to go off sooner. But today is about a fourth. Yeah, that's about right. So that's what I see in how much we got. Oh, we are just 5 minutes. So that's what I see in uh, the immediate future. I see it going up, definitely. It's gonna do what it just did here. Ah, what? Oh, I don't use TraderView that much, just to show y'all. I use Poloniex. Uh, but same thing here. See how this line this high right here or over here, or really, oh, this is where I drew. This was the wick. So really, this is where it was. I didn't put the wick on that one. See if I put it on one day. And this is why I don't use TraderView, because of all this. But if I put the wick, anyway, I don't feel like doing that. I don't feel like moving the charts around. You get the point, right? So we're gonna see it moving in this channel, and that's what I was telling you guys right here. Is it went up here, bounced off of this resistance, came down, and it stayed. And this see how it stayed inside of here. It stayed inside the last. Stays inside, and then once it breaks through, it goes up and it finds another line. Now this line right here, where we at 7 minutes? All right, this line right here probably goes back to another. Let's go find it. Let's try and find it real quick. Last year, it's gonna be, well, not last year, but the last run up. This is gonna be somewhere where it came down and touched this line. Oh, it's the 30-minute. Let me get on one day. So this is telling me that it's not a really important line, but we can see somewhere. I bet you we can find somewhere where it checked it. And it looks like in here. Yeah. Now I'm sure if I zoomed in on the 30, we would be able to see it happening better. But we can see it right here, right? And even at this one. So we're gonna have some. We already did, but you see why. Zoom out. Go back. So this is the last one. I mean, that's not really a high because it on that time frame. But if we look on this one, you can see it. So it's gonna stay inside of here. Bust out, and it might find some resistance or something in here, but this is the key resistance right here. If we bust through this, we're going to 8, 9, then we're going to 1,000 easily. All right, now let's look at Zcash. I got 5 minutes to talk about Zcash. Now, this is kind of unpredictable, but I can tell now that it's most likely going to go up some more. Looking at it, by looking at the fibs, and the same thing, same technique. If I drew like these lines, I probably could, but I don't want to take the time. If I drew these, if I drew a line here at this high or right here, we can see right here that it checked it. And I started to buy this because you want to buy at the 38 and the 23. A little bit here, a little bit there. More here than here. And if you would have checked that 38 and, and caught that, you would have caught a little push. Not a little push, a big push. And so some people want to get it back. So I got me an order sitting about here to buy some. And even if it does, if it goes down some more to here, I don't think it's gonna come back down to here. I think this level is gonna hold up pretty good, and we already see it kind of, you know, it's push, it's more upward push, and we can even go down here and look at this and see that we got. See, there's my order. So we got a more of a. See, and I'm not buying a lot. You know what I mean? I'm just playing. Um, but you got more buy side. Kind of short term wise, you got more on this side. This side is bigger. More people want to buy it. A lot of people want to buy it. That's at 1.3. Let's see. Yeah, that's where everybody wants to buy it at 1 point. Or really before, let's say 1.5. Ah, look at what 1.5 is. Right here. So it could come down here. I'm I'm guessing it probably will. It kind of looks like it's gonna be a head and shoulders right here. Yeah, shoulder, head, shoulder. So it might come. I'm thinking it's probably gonna come back down. I might cancel this order and move it down some because it looks like it's gonna come down some more. But that is my Bitcoin and Zcash. And even this is a bull flag too. If you drew a line right here, boop, boop. It's about to squeeze it. It's about to, most likely. Even this 50 line, you know, it's probably gonna. If it goes through this, it's going up. If it bounces off, it's coming down somewhere here. So this is learning for me and you, because when I talk, I'm teaching myself. So if you want some more of these videos, I'm going to do them for a little bit longer on this channel, but after that, they'll be private and only for my VIP list, which is in the description box below. It's completely free. I'm not charging for anything, so check that out. That's pretty much all I say. And I will have to say, the price of Bitcoin didn't really affect this too much. I think when Bitcoin went up a little bit, what time was it? Well, this is UTC, so this was UTC, so I don't feel like doing all that. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave your comments below. What do you think? Do you think Zcash is total shit? A lot of people do. I don't. And another thing, let me add this on. The fact that it was it was worth this much. Well, no. It was worth I don't think you can see. It was worth 5,000 Bitcoin. That's in people's head. I heard someone say that. So people already know how much it's worth. So people are holding on to it. Even me, I haven't sold my. I sold one batch of Zcash, and I haven't sold any of the other rest of it. So yeah, that's pretty much all the fuck I gotta say.